Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, I wanted to talk about how to fully live on a Bitcoin standard using Strike. This reality is much closer than we think. Using Strike, living on a Bitcoin standard is available today. I use a similar strategy by keeping my net worth in dollars at or near zero. Any leftover cash goes to purchasing Bitcoin immediately. The strategy involves utilizing credit cards for your daily expenses, and then either keeping just enough cash to pay your bills or paying your credit card balance down directly with Bitcoin. Strike recently introduced bill pay, meaning you can get an account and routing number through Strike's banking partner directly. And you can also receive your paycheck directly in Strike, and you can convert a percentage of your direct deposits automatically to Bitcoin. Strike is a good option for buying Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin only. If you want to get started with Strike, just use my referral link below and you'll get some reduced fees. I think one of the major concerns holding people back from using this kind of strategy is the fear of capital gains tax, since spending your Bitcoin technically counts as a sale and is subject to capital gains. And while this isn't ideal, it is still a good thing. If you're paying a capital gain on Bitcoin, it means by choosing to hold sound money, Bitcoin, instead of thin air money, fiat, you've opted out of dollar debasement. You would pay capital gains tax on the margin that your sound money beat out the thin air money. Strike can make this easier by providing tax documentation at the end of the year. Accruing capital gains should be viewed as a good thing. While it is a pain, it is still just meaning that you escaped inflation. By adopting a Bitcoin standard in your life, you're removing and mitigating the impact of inflation on your life. Some argue that Bitcoin's volatility makes it a bad option to use as a means of payment, but they ignore the fact that Bitcoin's volatility has historically trended towards the upside. So if you want to store your wealth in something that is guaranteed to lose its value and has lost 90+% of its value over time, you should park your wealth in the dollar. And you can check out Strike's website for any more information on bill pay or any other Strike features. So living on a Bitcoin standard is no longer a pipe dream, it's a reality that's achievable today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.